Hi, I am David Abraham, your email marketing specialist. In this video, I reveal 3 secrets to increase your email marketing sales quickly. So please pay attention and stay with me till end of this short video. Here is my free book called Email Money. It helps you out to start a profitable email marketing business online. It also helps you with every kind of problems with email business like poor deliverability or low open rate or low click-through rate. So this book is free and you can download it via the description below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding email marketing skills. So let's start our topic. Our topic is 3 proven ways to increase your email marketing sales. I used these 3 proven ways in order to make money with my email business on a regular basis. According to top email marketers, these proven strategies will help you to increase your sales immediately. So please pay attention. Now I'm revealing these 3 proven ways here. Number 1, choose a good offer. A good offer, I mean a high converting offer that already helped affiliate or email marketers to make a lot of money. You can find a good offer by going to clickbank.com or going to the Digistore or GVZoo. If you want to find a good offer in ClickBank, try to choose a offer that has the gravity score of above 30. If the gravity score of a product is above 30 in clickbank.com, so it shows for us that offer is a good offer and already made a lot of money. So pay attention to that. Next, try to focus to choose a offer that has a good sales page, because sales page is important and it should be a high attention grabbing sales page in order to attract customers' attention in order to purchase that offer. So the copy or the copywriting of the sales page should be great. Next one, maintain a healthy open rate. A healthy open rate is between 10% and 20%, and above 20% is great. If your open rate is lower than 10%, it means your open rate is not healthy, and it is because of 2 important reasons. Number 1, maybe your subject line is not good, or maybe your email end up in the spam or promo box. So try to write a good and attention grabbing subject line and try to fix your deliverability in order to avoid a spam box. I created videos regarding how to write a good subject line and how to avoid a spam box. After this video you can watch that in the screen. So try to maintain a healthy open rate between 10 and or 20%. If your open rate is low, so you can people will not see your email or your subject line in order to open your email and purchase your product. Number 3, maintain a healthy CTR or click-through rate. A healthy click-through rate is between 10% and 20% like open rate. So if your CTR is low or below 10%, it reveals that your email copy is not good, so you have to improve your email copy writing. You can watch my videos that I already created regarding how to improve your CTR by fixing your email copy. So your CTR is very important, so it should be between or 20%, and if it's 20% it's great and you can make a lot of sales. Because CTR is a unique metric, it shows that how many people in fact have seen your good offer or your sales page. So as I explained here, these three proven ways are very important. Try to focus on each one of them one by one. For example, if your offer is not good, try to choose a good offer by going to clickbank.com and choose an offer that has a gravity score of above 30. Then if your offer is good and the gravity of your offer is good, then if your open rate is below 10%, try to improve your open rate by focusing on subject line and avoiding the spam filter. Next, if your open rate and your offer is good again and your CTR is below 10% or unhealthy, try to improve your email copywriting. That's it. You can make a lot of money if you follow these three ways in order to increase your email marketing sales. So thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to get my free book right now. Thank you very much.